Hello class, this is the class from Maths. Good morning, and now we are going to continue the new topic, that is the application of determinant. Here we are discuss about the area of triangle and collinearity of 3 point. What is the condition for the collinear, that 3 point will be collinear. And now the first area of formula of the area of triangle is here. If you have a 3 point x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, then the area of triangle can be given, and this is the formula of area of triangle, and this can be written as in this form as a determinant. Okay, the formula of ये आपका क्या formula है? Let's see, 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y3, and take care of come out the minus 1, then you get the another. Now it can be written as modulus of 1/2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 and 1 1. Okay, just write down here and find, and the it can be easily solved. Okay, so in the determinant form, so the and which is the required area in term of determinant. Okay, and area is always positive, so hence so that we are taking the modulus of whatever you have the formula. Okay, now the condition for linear collinearity of 3 point, if the क्या condition बेटा, if the area of triangle is 0, first find out the, if you have given 3 point and find out the area. If the area of triangle is 0, that the point will be collinear. Okay, otherwise it is not. Okay, so 3 point x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 will be collinear if the area of triangle ABC are 0. Okay, so prove that if the area of triangle is 0, so these points are collinear. Now see the some questions from the exercise. Let's see the question first from exercise 5.2. The exercise the question is, find the area of triangle whose vertices are given. The first is 2 7 1 1, 3 point तो first point is 2 7 and second is 1 1 and third point is 10 8. Okay, let's see ABC are these points are ABC. AB is equal to these are one. Then we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC can be written modulus of half of, तो आप लिख देंगे फॉर्मूला x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. हाँ, तो इस फॉर्म में आप लिख दोगे, राइट. देन एक्सप्लेन इट, तो द मॉडुलस ऑफ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 1/2. ओके, तो 1/2 एक्सप्लेन अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट रो. तो यू गेट द 2 इंटू 2 की बेटा ये सब मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो इसको क्रॉस करिए 1 इंटू 1 माइनस 1 इंटू 8, फिर अगर माइनस, हमेशा प्लस माइनस माइनस का ध्यान रखिए, दिस इज प्लस माइनस प्लस. जब एक्सपेंड करोगे तो दिस इज माइनस, तो -7, तो फिर आप बेटा क्या करोगे, -7 के लिए डिलीट दिस रो एंड दिस कॉलम, यू गेट द 1 10 एंड 1 1. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 1 इंटू 1 दैट इज माइनस 10 इंटू 1, तो 1 इंटू 1 माइनस 10 इंटू 1. सिम्पली आर डूइंग फॉर द थर्ड एलिमेंट दैट इज 1, तो 1 बेटा यहाँ आपका साइन क्या रहेगा, प्लस में रहेगा. तो बेटा क्या हो जाएगा, 1 के अकॉर्डिंग एक्सप्लेन करोगे तो 1 इंटू 8 माइनस 10 इंटू 1. ओके, एंड जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इट. तो दैट वी जस्ट राइट द मॉड ऑफ फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन दैट कैन बी रिटन 1/2. बेटा 2 इंटू दिस, तो जस्ट 1 इंटू 1 माइनस 1/8. ओके, तो बेटा 1 इंटू 1 यू आर गेटिंग 1 माइनस 8, दैट माइनस 8 इज -7, तो -7 इंटू 2 इज -14. सिमिलरली here -7 है, एंड बेटा 1 इंटू 1 1 एंड 10, तो 10 माइनस 1 यू आर गेटिंग -9, तो -9 इंटू -7 यू आर गेटिंग द प्लस 63, 9 7 या 63, एंड here the 1 plus 1 into 8 that is 8 minus 10, तो 8 minus 10 you getting 2. Okay, -2, just add and subtract. to -2 and 14 that is -16, subtract -16 from 63 you are getting 47, then half of 47 is 23.5. this is your answer. तो that can be the square. बेटा ये ऑलरेडी प्लस में, तो कोई नहीं, अगर होता तो मॉडल्स कितना होता है 23.5 होता है. लेट्स सी द अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, if area of triangle is 4 square unit, then find the value of k if vertices are given. Okay, this question from the NCERT. So let's see the, you have given 3 point and it is also given that the area of triangle is 4 unit. Okay, so just write down the area of triangle is 4 unit. We have to find the value of k, and these 3 points are given. Now the area of triangle can be written as 1 by 2 into determinant of this one. You have also taken the mod of this. So just explain according to first column, okay? Because here you have 2 0, so you don't have need to explain according to zeros. First only explain according for 2. But I have explained proof. You are getting 1 by 2 into, this is minus 2. So minus 2 into beta 4 into 1 minus 1 into k is equal to 4. It is given that the area of 4 कितना given है 4. So minus 2 into 2 can be cancelled out here, but the sign is all minus is left. have 4 into 1 minus k, that is equal to 4. तो बेटा अब करोगे तो माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो you get the k is equal to 4 plus 4, that is the 8. So hence you get the value of k is 8. In this way you are doing also for the collinearity. Similarly in this doing explain according to this, and for the collinearity of lines do just so that the area of triangle is 0. Okay, now solve this exercise, and if you have any problem then ask a problem. And now in the next video lecture we are coming the determinant of a square matrix. Okay.